Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to buy on Temu in South Africa. As you know, Temu ships for free in South Africa, so let's get to it. So here I'm on desktop on Temu over here. You can register your account with Google, your email account. As you can see, they sell a lot of products. Today I'm also going to give you like a few tips and tricks on their products and all that stuff. So number one, for Temu, what I hate about Temu is their clothing, guys. When it arrives, it looks okay, but after a few washes, the quality is crap. So when you are buying your clothing and stuff, make sure you're buying the expensive kind of clothing. Make sure you're buying expensive kind of clothing. And you see all these discounts like 86% and 50% is all lies. It's just a way for you guys to buy it, and the quality is crap, guys, for clothing. Like, you can see the pictures here, they look awesome. But once you get it, the quality is very bad, guys. Like, let me just show you guys like what I brought on Temu the other time. Show you my orders over here. So as you can see, I brought like underwear over here. It was like 120 bucks. Got some socks also, it was like $100. Got a pants for like $100, and like this t-shirt for like 120, another t-shirt for like 180. Like, guys, all this quality, if you go to buy at Mr. Price, guys, you know, like the cheap clothing shop, that quality is way better than all of this crap, guys. I swear. And all this stuff came to like $900, guys. So let me tell you, like, this is how it works. So you add the items to your cart. After you add it to your cart, here's my cart here. Here's the cart. Like, I selected these items here. Can you see this, guys? The quality. Don't believe in this discount. It's the way to make you guys buy. Look at that. It was worth 939 rand. Now it's 82% off. It's 164. And what was this? One piece, guys. Resistance band. Pull up assistant band for 164. Guys, I suggest you buy this stuff on Takealot. Number one, on Takealot, South Africa, you can get the stuff. And then you can check the quality. If it's bad, very easy. Quickly go to Takealot, send it and tell them, I changed my mind, I don't like it anymore, and then just return it back to them. But here for Temu, they say it's free delivery, but the return process, you must hear this, guys. Your first return is for free, but then from your second order returns, you're gonna be paying for it, guys. So yeah, you guys decide. Like, the first time you buy on Temu, it's very happy experience. But the second time, you're gonna pay for your returns if you don't like it. And they also tell you if you don't like it, tell them, and they will give you a refund, and you can keep the product. It's a big lie, guys. And here's another thing: the first time you buy, on it, so you go to your checkout. This is the total. So once you check out, you will go to you'll enter your address, your email, your details, and all that stuff, and then also your payment method. So this is how it works. So first, you're gonna be paying with your credit card or your MasterCard. So the money. Once your order's done, once you pay, then you receive an email. You receive a quick email, and then it says, your payment is done, and then they have notified the seller on their site, and then they're preparing the package, and then you wait about 1 to 2 days, then you receive a message saying that the package has arrived to the warehouse and is ready to be shipped. But then you have to pay for the custom fees. So like an estimate just for like clothing, like it was like $900, and then they send you a payment link because they're using a Buffalo service over here. So you have to first pay the custom duties first. So like it was $900, so you paid like $120 for customs and duties. So you do the maths, guys. So on top of it, 900 plus 100 and something divided by your 4 items, and you know the total cost of your product. So yeah, guys. So that's just for clothing. Like for electronics and for other products, the custom duties might be a lot more. But you know why the custom duties is just 100 and something bucks? Because from that clothing order, when the package arrived, it came in a courier flyer bag, and it was like such a small bag. No wonder it was $100. Think about if you are buying spice racks or like furniture or all that stuff. It depends on the size. You're going to be paying a lot of custom duty fees for those big items, because it won't be coming in flies. It'll be coming in boxes, and you're going to be paying for it. So yeah, so on the checkout, you enter all your details, and number 1, you're going to also be entering your South African ID number. And guys, like Temu, you must understand it's like shipping from another country. If you buy too much stock, every month you keep on buying SARS, they're going to come and get you, guys. You know why? Because they'll think that you are selling this in South Africa. So yeah, the custom fees, guys. So you must also notice about that. And once they notice you have become a seller by buying so much products, they'll require you to go get an import certificate. So you'll be paying SARS more. So rather buy locally in South Africa. If the product is, even if the product on Takealot is like 10 Rand extra than on Temu, just get it in South Africa. You don't want your name in the SARS books, guys. So yeah, so the process is like that. First, you place your order, you pay for it, and then they send you the confirmation that your parcel has received in the warehouse. Then they send you the tax information, the duty information that you must pay. Then the email has the link, so you click on the link and you enter your card details and all that stuff. Then they collect that fee, and then you wait for like 1 or 2 days. Then they say your package, your duties has been paid, and your package is on shipping to South Africa. So shipping takes, guys, this took nearly like 15 days just for me to receive the package. Sure, it's free delivery and it's good. So you receive it in the South Africa customs, and then Buffalo, they have the Buffalo courier service. They go collect it by the customs there, and then they put it into their warehouse. Then after they put it into their warehouse, they send you another email when it will be delivered to your doorstep. And guys, let me just tell you, Buffalo courier services, they are not friendly. And like they say it'll arrive before 5 o'clock during the day, but then they come at 6 and all that stuff. They don't even have their like own courier trucks that are branded. It just comes in like they come in bakkies and unmanned courier guys. So yeah, so that's how you buy on Temu. Then you get your stuff in nearly 15 to 20 days, guys. And then once you receive the stuff, it looks okay, but then you're thinking about it, the quality is crap. So yeah, you guys decide if you want to buy on Temu or not. And also, you don't want to get your name to SARS for you to get the import certificates, guys, because 1 year you can like buy overseas like 1 to 3 times without getting into trouble. But once you stop buying too much stuff, you're gonna become a seller in South Africa, and you're gonna start paying. You're gonna be on the SARS list, guys. So yeah, that's how you buy on Temu. And here's the other thing I want to talk about. Your second purchase on like if you're checking on your phone, you're gonna get like this thing saying, quickly buy something for like for $400 and get 2,500 Rand in voucher on your next purchase. So this is what happened with my sister. So she believed in it, so she quickly to get that 2,500 Rand voucher. It's like you can't just buy anything you like on Temu. It's like they give you a whole section of products that's not selling in Temu. Then you have to select those products. So you buy something for like $400, and then it arrived to you. And guess what? You would think that your third purchase, you got 2,500 Rand off your next order, so you don't need to pay for anything. Here's the thing, guys. They say 2,500, but they separate it in vouchers for you. So here's what they do. So first, for the 2,500, they say get 400 Rand off. So it's like a 400 Rand off voucher. In order for you to get that 400 Rand off voucher, you have to buy something for 1,500. So it's like a scam, guys. They want you to keep on buying more, and you all know that, like I said in the beginning, the discounts is all bullshit, guys. All the discounts on Temu is bullshit. For real. And then they say, to get the 100 Rand off, you first have to buy something for $500, guys. So think about it. Are you really getting that discount? That's why I say Temu is so clever in making people buy so much buy crap from them. You know what I mean, guys. So yeah, you guys decide if you want to buy on Temu and get those vouchers. And yeah, if you have any questions about Temu or something that you don't like, or that you think that you're disagreeing about what I'm saying here, you can just hit me a comment. And yeah, any suggestions, just pop me a comment. Anyways, thanks guys for watching my video.